All right, what we're looking at here is our Proformance Unlimited's custom built 418 Windsor stroker. This features an eagle rotating assembly. We have an Edelbrock intake and carburetor with an MSD distributor. We got pro competition cylinder heads on here. A lot of goodies. Check it out if you're interested. Click on the engine package, see what it contains. And if there's anything we can help you, we can always custom paint. This one has been custom painted Ford red. We can use a variety of valve covers. We can put Holley carburetors. We can put more serpentine kits on here. So again, we build them your way with our special formula. Enjoy the run video. Dyno's at about 501 horsepower. Again, 418 Windsor stroker. Let's go to the video. Well, there you have it. Once again, one of Proformance Unlimited 418 Windsor strokers that produce about 500 horsepower. I believe we hit about 501 on the screen. Again, dyno proven horsepower. If there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. And if you're in the market for a custom turnkey crate engine, Proformance Unlimited. There is no other. Thank you very much.